Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the euro dollar did end up drifting down today. Now, I think this is more of a five-way pattern up, so I think there's a good chance this is an A. To me, this is impulsive down. To me, this is three waves up. And then this is obviously impulsive down also. I think this is an A, B, C right here, probably a wave B. Now, we didn't quite hit the 78%, so maybe it'll drift down a little bit more. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. They probably will to grab this liquidity from the first push down. Then I think there's a very good likelihood that it probably will go up and make a wave C. I think this perhaps could even turn into like some sort of a WXY because it almost looks like 1, 2, 3 up. Maybe you could even say this is like 1, 2, 3 down, and then that would turn this into a WXY corrective pattern, which means that potentially we could be setting up for a really big short midweek. And we do have a US interest rate this week, so maybe setting up for a really good opportunity midweek for a US interest rate. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.